Hey everybody, it's ALE Flores with OrlandoVacation.com, and we're going to be giving you some more tips and tricks on how to make your Orlando vacation awesome. Today's episode, how to snag Disney dining reservations. All right, so you're at Walt Disney World and you want to eat at one of their amazing restaurants but don't know how to get a reservation. Well, we got you covered. Join us as we help you snag that dining reservation at Disney. And of course, if you haven't already done so, and why haven't you, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified of new and helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. First things first, what day are you planning on going? Once you have a date and time in mind, it'll make finding that reservation just a bit easier. Disney's advanced dining reservations open up a whopping 60 days in advance. That's amazing, so amazing, I pronounce the H in whopping. That's how awesome it is. This means the sooner you know what date you want to go, the better. We suggest setting an alarm to wake up early the day reservations open up for your date so you can be among the first to secure that spot. Now keep in mind that while advanced dining reservations open up 60 days beforehand, a whopping 60 days beforehand, guests that are staying on site at a Walt Disney World resort actually are able to make their reservations a little bit earlier. You thought you were special, somebody's more special. Sorry. Guests staying at a Disney resort can make their dining reservation 60 days from their arrival date at the resort for up to 10 days of their stay. This means guests that are staying on site can make their reservation up to 10 days before reservations open up to everyone else. If you're planning on staying at a Walt Disney resort, keep that in mind because it'll make making reservations for you so much easier. While we stress to set alarms on the day reservations open up, keep in mind that being a bit flexible with either your date or time might help you snag that reservation. Most of your typical dinner dining times are between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. So those tend to fill up very quickly. Maybe having an earlier dinner or a late dinner might help. Maybe consider having a late lunch instead. This allows you to still dine in your favorite restaurant, and lunches are typically a bit more affordable than dinners. So you can also save a bit of money there. Now that we know when reservations are available, how exactly do we make them? Well, there's a couple of different ways to make a dining reservation. You can make the reservation online on the Disney website, on a smart device using the My Disney Experience app, or by calling into Disney Dining at 407-WDW-DINE. Online or on the My Disney Experience app is very simple. You're asked to pick your party size, the date you're wanting to go, and the time. From there, you'll be given a list of options of places to dine and the time slots there available. Once you select a time slot, you'll be able to reserve that spot. Making the reservation is very simple, as long as you can find one. Just make sure that if you're making a reservation that's in the parks, that you also have valid admission and a park reservation to go along with the dining reservation. You will need to have all three to be able to actually eat at your favorite restaurant. If you're making a reservation for one of the restaurants at the resorts, make sure you have proof of the dining reservation to show the guard at the gate when you get there. You will need this to go to the resort. Note that when making the dining reservation, they do require a card to put on file. This is to secure your dining reservation. All dining reservations have their own cancellation policy presented at time of reserving. This means that if your reservation is canceled within the penalty period, the card on file will be charged accordingly. The same applies to no-shows at the restaurants as well. We suggest marking in your calendar the last day to cancel the reservation without penalty in the instance you need to cancel. And here are some tips to help you secure your Disney dining reservation. If you don't see reservations for your favorite restaurant, keep checking back. Guests cancel reservations all the time. Take some time every day to check back. As the date comes closer, you'll notice that some reservations will open up, so be persistent. If you're at the park, still don't have a dining reservation, try checking in at the host stand to see if they have any availability. There could have been no-shows at the restaurant and they'd happily seat you. This is more common during the rain when guests might head out early and skip on their reservations. Plus, it doesn't hurt to ask. The worst thing they can say is no. And please include everyone when making dining reservations. This includes anyone under the age of 3 years old as well. If they're a person, they need to be included. If you're making a dining reservation and have more people going than originally reserved for, the host or hostess can turn your entire party away. So plan accordingly. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.